Hello, in this video we will see how to install the Physicist web application on your Android or Apple device. You simply have to open Google Chrome, then type the URL of the blog, which is ThePhysicist.in, and then press enter. This will take you to the Physicist blog on your Android application. If you are visiting the site for the first time, you will receive a notification that says add the Physicist to the home screen at the bottom. You just have to click on that. Then it will prompt you to install the application. Then you need to click on install. There is another easy way to install the Physicist web application on your Android or iOS device. In case you have already ignored the add to home screen pop-up on your first visit to the website on your mobile device. For this, open the Google Chrome browser on your mobile phone, visit thephysicist.in, and then go to the three-dot menu at the top right and choose to install the application. When prompted, choose install, and this will install the Physicist web application on your smartphone. Once the application has been installed on your smartphone, it will have an icon saying The Physicist, and that's it. You can open the icon and the application will load The Physicist. You can choose to subscribe to the notifications, and once the subscription is complete, it will show thanks for subscribing. That's it. Now you have the Physicist web application on your smartphone. Now in this application, if you wish, you can also go to my account and log in or register. If you wish to choose your own unique username and unique passwords and a selected email address, that means if you wish to choose a separate set of credentials, you can use the register option. Else, if you wish to choose to log in using your social networking credentials, you can choose one of these options available here. Make sure that if you are logging in for the first time, then you need to activate your account using the activation email that will be sent to your email account connected with your social media.